Welcome back. You're watching DDT News. I'm Lipakshi Khuranan. On to some business news now. The Indian stock markets witnessed a sharp rally on Monday morning. The benchmark Nifty 50 index registering a gain of 2.77% surge. The BSE Sensex also reflected rise by around 2.61%, a sharp jump of over 1,900 points. Sectoral indices reflected widespread buying interest. Except for the pharma segment, all other sectors opened in the green. The overall Asian markets also opened higher on hopes of a US-China trade agreement. And for more on the markets, we have Ajay Misha joining us on the phone line. Well, Ajay, a good signal for the markets today as they opened in green. The biggest single-day rise in almost 11 months.
Certainly, actually, a couple of reasons for that. The ceasefire between India and Pakistan held on Saturday after intense overnight fighting between the two nuclear-armed neighbors have given a big boost to the markets this morning. Second, very important announcement is likely to come from Trump administration when it comes to US-China trade deal. There are speculations that there has been substantial progress between the two major economies of the world, which will be very positive for the global economy going ahead. I think the third point, which is very important for the Indian perspective, is that the Indian defense capabilities, which have come up positively in the last few days, have shown to the world that the made in India technology has a promise for the global players, global investors, and global economy, and we might see some positive orders coming for the Indian defense sector. Not to forget that the domestic investors have put in more money for the first time in the March quarter compared to their FII counterpart. $320 billion of investment from the domestic investors have been seen in the Indian stock market, and this has been historic in the March quarter, Lipakshi. And it's very encouraging to see that not just the foreign investors but the domestic investors going forward have a great faith in the Indian economy, and we believe that this trend is going to continue for some more time in the days to come.
All right, Ajay, also the gold prices considerably reduced on Monday morning.
Absolutely. The big point which I missed in my opening remarks is that the currency the Indian currency, despite all these geopolitical tensions, have shown firmity in the last few days, and it was more or less stable against the dollar. So that's one thing. The other thing is that the crude oil prices are going up, which is putting some pressure on the gold prices. So there are some corrections the gold prices as the global economy is getting more and more into normalcy. So the funds are moving from bullion market to other forex market, including the equity markets all over the world. So you will see the redistribution of wealth, redistribution of savings. As in the case, not just in the case of India, but the global money is going to be distributed amongst several financial instruments, not just gold, which was shining because of the sheer pressure and tension between different parts of economies all over the globe.